Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change middle button functions for Logitech Silent Plus mouse. And to do this, you will need to download Logitech Options software on your PC. You can check our previous video on how to do it. Now when it's ready, you'll be able to see this mouse right here, and then there's a middle button which is a wheel, so you need to press it. That's how it works. Then click on the circle on the wheel and you'll be able to pick a different function for it. So now it acts as a middle button as it's set to default, but you can change it to go back, switch applications, use it as a gestures button, or when you click more, there's even more options. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.